Whether you're looking to improve your food plant's detection and identification of microorganisms or adhere to new safety guidelines, now is the time to eliminate traditional agar and film-based detection methods and switch to super convenient peel plate microbial tests. This new cutting-edge CHARM technology reinvents bacterial testing with a simple, ready-to-use plate for environmental samples, dairy products, meat, pet foods, water, and more. Just remove from the bag, add your sample, and incubate. Colonies are easy to interpret visually and remain intact for further microbial identification. Pre-dispensed aseptic dried media comes in a three-dimensional plastic circle, which contains and automatically diffuses samples without a spreading device. Reseal the adhesive top and stack up to 20. Air circulates freely and there's zero cross-contamination. Color coding makes it easy to tell aerobic bacteria from coliform and E. coli, or yeast and mold. Peel plate tests are so fast and easy. Well, let's show you how fast and easy. Did you miss it? Here it is again. Peel the lid up, vertically pipette the sample onto the center in just 2 or 3 seconds. Seal it up, and stack. It took longer to talk about it than to do it. AOAC RI Performance Verified and PMO NCIMS approved. CHARM peel plates are the optimal testing device for total hygienic control of your plant to ensure food quality and shelf life. Peel plates come 50 in a resealable foil-zipped bag with a shelf life of 12 months refrigerated, at least 1 month at room temperature. If you have dairy products, food dilutions, or water samples that need to be checked for aerobic bacteria, coliform and E. coli, or yeast and mold, you will not find a faster, easier, more cost-effective test than peel plate microbial tests. To learn more, visit charm.com today or call 978-687-9200. Nothing works like a charm.